In today's video, I'm going to be directing my viewers on how to set up ExpressVPN application on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and if you get any problem, just comment. I'm going to be helping you guys. So you're going to come where you have this Windows icon where I'm clicking, and then you're going to be using either you're going to use Microsoft Edge, this one, or Google Chrome, this one. Choose any of those two browsers and use. So when I use Microsoft Edge, I'm going to come where I search from right here, and then I'll be searching. I'm going to search ExpressVPN. So guys, that is the website I'm going to search. Search ExpressVPN, and when you reach ExpressVPN, look for download VPN. Choose that one, the download VPN, and then choose desktop. I recommend guys to choose desktop as like that, and then after choosing desktop, look on your right hand side, then choose Windows. Select Windows and then wait for it to download. But you're going to go where you have download Windows VPN. Check that one and then wait for a few seconds. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. You're going to be seeing such a kind of dashboard. Go where you have download on your right hand side, and it is indicated that ExpressVPN for Windows 10 and above. Wait for a few seconds for this application to download. It is about like 67 MBs. 40 MBs, about 40 MBs. Then after downloading that application, we are going to create an account. It is the second step. Now we are going to go back where we have on our ExpressVPN website, the right website. But make sure that you install that application. We are going to come, and then we are going to come where we have log in. We are going to come where you have my account. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. Then we are going to come where we are going to be seeing that activation code which we are going to be using. Now let us go to the application. The application which we downloaded, that is the application I've just installed, and it is new as you are seeing it. It is ExpressVPN and it is indicated as new. So we are going to double click on that application, and then I'm going to show you how you are going to be logging in. When you double click on that one, you're going to log in, and then after logging in, you're going to just go where you have selected location, and then select your location. You're going to choose any location with a fastest server, and then after choosing that location, we're going to go and just connect. Just give it some few seconds, and after giving it some few seconds, we're going to be seeing that your device is now protected. And after doing that, your device will be successfully protected by ExpressVPN. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. I sign out.